I wanted to show you guys my high lift jack mount real quick. I didn't want to mount it on the hood. I don't really like that. I've seen the mounts that go on the door hinges, didn't like that. Seen the ones that go here on these hinges, didn't like that. Didn't like the bumper mounts. Cruising around YouTube, I saw someone did this, and the way they did it, they went to Home Depot, bought some conduit clamps, and it was pretty cool, and I like that. I am a CNC machinist for a living, so I made my own out of aluminum. Just kind of did fancy design in here just for looks. I think they turned out pretty cool. I was going a little fancier at first, and I made this hinged clamp, but I was originally going to mount it down here, and it didn't work with the seat belts in the way, so this diameter is machined for this, and it didn't work, obviously. So if I were to open it up to the diameter for here, then it would have broke into my screw holes and my hinge. So I had to make new ones, and I just went the simple route, and I just put tapped holes in this side, screw holes over here, one on each side, and it worked out pretty well. Finally got this thing off-road. I'll post the video up on that. This thing will never be as clean as it was when I bought it. I went through a couple mud puddles with the doors off, top down, and it was a good time. But yeah, I just wanted to see what you guys thought about these homemade clamp jack mounts, whatever you want to call them. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.